There are so many car gadgets and products on the internet. Some of them are cool, some of them are useless, and some of them are really expensive. But it's good to note that not every expensive gadget is good. Similarly, not every cheap gadget is bad. We've done the research for you and listed some of the best car gadgets that you can buy online for under $100. Before starting the video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. A car windshield sunshade to keep your steering wheel from inflicting third-degree burns on your poor innocent hands after your car has been parked in the sun for hours. EcoNour Windshield Sunshade is proven effective in diverging heat and other harmful sun rays such as UVA and UVB. This sunshade covers the entire front interior of your car and protects the upholsteries to electronic panels from the sun. Thanks to the compact pouch, you can easily fit the sunshades into any space inside your car, no matter what size you go for. EcoNour Windshield Sunshade features extra fabric that allows up to 8 inches of maximum overlapping between circles, which provides a snug fit for your car. These automotive window sunshades, measuring 64 inches in length and 32 inches in width, are adjustable and can fit well for car windshields that don't exceed the measurement of 64 inches into 32 inches. An epic car seat organizer to hold a tablet, drink bottle, and all the other items you need for a long trip, this AutoMuko iPad holder and car seat organizer offer a unique solution to using your iPad without holding it or placing it on your car seat. It also provides another convenient solution which allows you to store, organize, and coordinate your personal effects and other items so as to avoid litter or clutter on your car seat. It features 2 mesh bottle holds and 3 mesh small bags that are evenly distributed on either side of the overall design. Each mesh pocket can be used to hold a variety of things according to their size and height. The bottle holders can be used to hold different sizes of bottles, while the small mesh bags can be used to hold an unlimited number of things if the size fits. For example, they can be used to hold a smartphone, pen, small journals, money, keys, rings, wallets, cords, crayons, earbuds, and lots more. A colorful car seat cover set to take your chairs from bland to extra bold. This sleek, minimalist design provides a stylish way to preserve and extend the lifespan of your seats. This high-quality fabric with 3mm of breathable foam backing is soft to the touch and disperses heat, keeping you comfortable and cool on even the hottest summer days. The premium cloth material keeps seats warm in the winter and can be easily washed as needed. The semi-universal fit is designed to fit the majority of vehicles on the road. Easy installation, no special tools needed. A tiny car vacuum that comes in a travel bag so you can finally reach those abandoned fries under your seats. The power cord of this handheld auto vacuum cleaner is 4.5 meters, 14.8 feet long. It can clean anywhere in your car, but most power cord of other car vacuum cleaner is just 3 to 4 meters, which is not enough long. Lol Deal handheld vacuum is an ideal tool to clean crumbs, sand, dust, dirt, cigarette ash, and more other small things. Lol Deal car vacuum cleaner has got CE and ROSE certification. If you want to use it as a home vacuum, then you need universal AC-DC power socket adapter converter. This filter can be taken out of and can be washed with water. You can use a toothbrush to gently wash detergent plus, so the filter of Lol Deal hand vacuum is washable and reusable. A convenient side pocket you can fit perfectly in the gap between your seat and console. Your pocket has bulged with many items such as a smartphone, wallet, cigarettes, keys, etc. And in fact, it makes the driver uncomfortable while driving. However, InPocket is now here to solve this inconvenience. You just take out all your stuff from your pocket and put them in the InPocket and then take them with you when getting out of the car. For the woman, they can put their cosmetic products in the InPocket such as hand cream, facial mist, lipstick, or lip balm, so they can use them while waiting for the signal. Moreover, in-pot can take a role as a catcher that holds and catches any kind of stuff falling in between the console and the seat. Lastly, in-pot is made of BPA, bisphenol A, free plastic, and it can be easily washed when gets dirty. This product is strictly protected by design patent and trademark. A 12-piece car care kit that will keep your whip looking like it's fresh off the lot. It's a quick and easy way to safely remove light defects from clear plastic surfaces while improving optical clarity. Ideal for lightly clouded headlights, tail lights, instrument clusters, convertible top windows, and more. The Meguiar's Complete Car Care Kit has inspired automotive enthusiasts worldwide to pamper, condition, and protect their treasured investments. This is one of the most complete kits on the market today, featuring Meguiar's premium quality products in one convenient, affordable package. It includes one 16-ounce bottle of Gold Class Car Wash Shampoo and Conditioner G7116, one 16-ounce bottle of Gold Class Carnauba Plus Liquid Wax G7016, one 16-ounce bottle of Gold Class Endurance High Gloss Gel G7516, one container of Quick Detailer A3316, one 16-ounce bottle of Quick Interior Detailer Cleaner G13616, two 50-gram clay bars with a clamshell container R3060008, R3060120, one container of Plast X Clear Plastic Cleaner and Polish G12310, one container of Scratch X G10307, one microfiber towel M9910, one foam applicator pad R30241, and one microfiber wash mitt X3002. A compact first aid kit just in case you experience an unexpected injury while on the road. AAA means quality, and with the 85-piece AAA commuter first aid kit, this is what you get. You never know where the road may lead or what may happen, so don't be caught unprepared. Lifeline First Aid, a leader in the field of first aid and disaster readiness products, has teamed up with AAA to bring you a line of high-quality first aid kits. Featuring high-quality first aid components, this first aid kit can help protect you or a loved one in the event of a personal injury. If an accident or personal injury were to occur during your trip, would you be ready to deal with it? Being unprepared for a situation requiring first aid can turn an inconvenience into something much more serious. The kit's convenient size and carry case makes it ideal for storing in the car and then taking it with you when you go on hikes, camping, sporting events, etc. The kit contains a variety of medical supplies that can address a wide range of minor injuries to help keep you prepared. A multi-pocket organizer you can clip to the back row of your SUV or van for a major storage upgrade, providing lots of space for everything needed. Strong materials at the bottom were sufficient to store a lot of things, and heavyweight stuff provides reliability at maximum load. Combined with top-quality materials, 1680D polyester gives strength, durability, and water resistance. A heavy-duty floor mat set you can count on to keep your car dirt-free. Protect your vehicle's flooring by catching spills, stains, dirt, and debris that other floor mats can miss. These mats are durable and long-lasting and will withstand normal wear and tear. No matter how careful you are, your new ride might become less than perfect with all the typical wear and tear that's inflicted after owning any car for some time. So what can you do to protect your vehicle? You can have peace of mind knowing your vehicle is up to date with the best accessories. The extra high ridgeline design will trap liquids and debris, preventing them from reaching your original flooring. The trapped debris can easily be expelled by removing the mat and rinsing it off. This works especially well for rainy and/or snowy climates. A super strong dashboard mat you can use to hold sunshades, electronics, and other items. Non-magnetic, no adhesive or glue needed, clings almost any surface. It can be directly stuck to cars, trucks, SUV, etc. Temperature resistant, can also be used in bathroom, kitchen, or office to achieve the best fixed effects. Please place objects on the pad light pressure for 1 to 2 seconds. Please don't use in flannelette or rough surface. Also, don't use the table board wax in the position of the car non-slip mat use, because the table board wax can make the car non-slip mat slip.